Well, hello folks, I want to show you some desert orchard growing. We got trees all inside these here tires, so we can keep the chipmunks, the rats, little tree in there, and everything else out. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put this on pause. I'll show you the rest of our tree. Alright, now this is inside the screen-in garden hut. We got a pineapple growing on the far end over there. We got all sorts of avocados. And then this tree looks dead, but I'm told it is alive. We got this one, avocado. We got the berry bushes and the mystery, whatever that is. Up there we got a lime. Down at the bottom we got a lemon. And all these are avocados, Rosa Sharon, blueberry bushes, pineapple, and there's all sorts of plants off in here. We had to take some out, but we have been transplanting these little guys everywhere. So I just want to show y'all that. Giving you a garden update, y'all. Alright, we're prepping this area for springtime gardening. Now this is an old fence. We're going to take that down and put in chicken wire and some little, where's my camera? Little tiny square wire we've already purchased. There's some breaks from a walkway in between my raised beds. We're going to have a raised bed all in through here, those poles for the fencing. All through there. Now we're filling in this hole that was here. And we're going to fence in all that. Where the ladder is, we're fencing in all that. And then this old shed, we're working it up to have it as my, to keep my garden stuff into. We're cleaning it out. So that's what's going on with my raised bed area. So that's update on that. We just draped all the weeds and stuff. We're still working on that. And then we're going to be putting the fence and building the raised beds this winter. And then this is all the gourd plants I'm composting. Gourd plants. Okay, well, there you all go. There's a garden update. Now you see me. We've been working our tail feathers off. Let me tell you that right here, right now. And we're still working on this post, this screened-in porch. We're still working on that. So we're just trying to get everything together, all the stuff. So, love y'all. And as you see, chemtrails. Well, and y'all be good. Do it God's way, not your way. And do the best you can, because that's what we're doing. We're doing the best we can. All right, love y'all.